What's going on, everyone? It's Andre here from Quicks Monday, coming to you with a midnight update of some bearish signals on the Bitcoin charts. What worries me a lot about this chart is the fact that our highs are not going parabolic as we would expect them to be, right? This last leg up was very anticlimactic at best. This signals to me that our buying pressure is decreasing. And we can see that too through the volume, right? In the last leg up, the weekly volume was not even close to the levels we saw here in the previous two legs. Maybe we could be headed for a healthy correction. Now, if we take a look at the exponential moving averages, or EMA ribbons, we notice that this EMA ribbon, the price does come back to it eventually. And this is sitting at around 48,000 price. What I do think can happen is, seeing how weak this last leg up to the upside was, I think we're in for a retracement down to the 48,000 level to the 50,000 level. This right here is the region in which I think we could potentially see a retracement to. This green area would be my buy zone if you're looking to accumulate Bitcoin. I do now think that this is highly likely, right? The last time we saw two red candles, we did touch the EMA. And what are we seeing here? We're seeing two red weekly candles. And I do think we're inbound towards this $50,000 region. Don't worry. I think we're still on a bull trend, providing that we do not break this 21 EMA. If we go onto the daily chart, if we look at the past trend here, we see that the EMA ribbons were tested here at the 50 EMA and almost near the 60 EMA in this first leg down. Came back up here, boom, we came back down to the EMA ribbon. I wouldn't be surprised if we were to see this leg come all the way shooting down to this buy region, which is roughly around the 50 and 60 EMA. In the short term, what I think can happen is this. Let's pull up our 6-hour time frame. Let's get rid of this and just use, let's clear the EMAs. I personally like to use the EMAs on larger time frames, on the macro time frames. Now let's maintain our buy region here, our area of support, and let's just do some simple technical analysis of our support and resistance lines. I think price is going to continue to break down and perhaps test this level, maybe break down even more to our buy zone. Again, stimulus checks are coming in on Wednesday. I think it's going to be a rather green day. So actually what could happen is this. We could bounce to the upside, come down, and retest this level here. Now if we were to use some sort of trend channels, let's just make a rough drawing here of where we can expect the price to be bouncing. Let's see here. Oh, perfect. Look at that. Wow. Right in unison with my drawing. Well, you can see that forming, right? Now, what could be interesting is we could see it continue to bounce down here, and then we can see it start to break up to the upside once it hits that region. This would be a falling wedge if I'm not mistaken, and it is actually a bullish pattern. So I think Bitcoin right now is going for a healthy correction back down to the $50,000 level. There's nothing wrong with that. That is completely healthy. If we look at our big weekly chart, our macro chart, we must keep the bigger picture in mind always. Pulling up our EMA, we always come down and retest this level. So this is in conjunction with our buy region. It is also in conjunction with our support and resistance region as well. Nothing to worry about. If we hit that price point, our bull trend is still intact. That's going to wrap up today's video. I hope this has been insightful, and I hope that this can help you make better trading decisions. I'm not a financial advisor. This is only my personal opinion. I'll see you guys later. Peace.